So this class is about now kinematics. What is kinematics? Kinematics is a branch of mechanics which deals with the motion of objects without taking force into account. What's the meaning of that? Generally you would have studied that any particle will move on applying a force, or Newton's law, what you studied in a 10th standard. Newton's law says that an external agency is required to make the particle to move. But here kinematics, that is kinetics. Kinematics says that generally, naturally, or even without taking the force into account, if any object is going to move, I am going to study about its motion. That is what is kinematics is. For example, you have moon which is rotating around earth. That is a very simple example of kinematics. So basic some definitions that you should know. That is all what you are going to learn now. Rest and motion. But this rest and motion is explained using something called as frame of reference. Frame of reference is nothing but, you would have studied already about in graph about x and y axis. But x and y axis is only two-dimensional. It can only explain you with two-dimensional. But here this Cartesian coordinate system will have the three-dimension, which is z-axis also, which is a projection. So when a bird flies, for example, when a bird flies, you cannot explain in terms of x and y alone. You need another axis, which is z-axis also. Above the plane, at some point it is going to fly. At that moment, you will calculate it as x, y and z in the Cartesian coordinate. In fact, even rotations are also explained in this. If it is anti-clockwise, you would have studied, we have studied about moment. Like in moment, there are anti-clockwise moment and clockwise moment. So how will I represent that? This z-axis will rotate along left side if it is anti-clockwise. If it is clockwise, it will rotate in the right hand side. So Cartesian coordinates are used to explain rest and motion. Next definition is about point mass. Point mass is nothing but this at every moment you consider, it is concentrated at some point. You consider, you assume that it is concentrated at one point. For example, like center of gravity. At center of gravity, you assume that as if all the lines from the mass is going to pass through some point called as point mass. So here point mass, this one. So it has a meaning only with reference frame, and also with respect to the kind of motion, with whichever, if it is going to be linear motion, with respect to the linear motion in the Cartesian curve or in the Cartesian coordinate, which will be the point mass. So these and all are the definitions.